Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that many of us rely on every single day, but often overlook: cookware. We're taking a close look at the Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Cookware 11-piece set. If you're in the market for a comprehensive set that promises performance without breaking the bank, stick around. This is an 11-piece set, which is a fantastic starting point for anyone setting up a new kitchen or looking to upgrade their existing collection. It includes an 8-inch fry pan, a larger 10-inch fry pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan, a 3-quart sauté pan with a lid, and a substantial 8-quart stock pot, also with a lid. What's really interesting is that they've also included a separate steamer with its own lid, which is a thoughtful addition for healthy cooking options. Now, let's talk about what makes these pans tick. The core construction is heavy-gauge 18/8 stainless steel. This is a good quality stainless steel, known for its durability and resistance to corrosion. But the real magic for even cooking lies in the aluminum core bottoms. Aluminum is an excellent heat conductor, and by sandwiching it between the stainless steel layers, Amazon Basics aims to provide quick and even heat distribution. This is crucial for preventing hot spots that can burn your food unevenly, and for achieving consistent results whether you're searing a steak or simmering a delicate sauce. The exterior boasts a mirror finish, which gives the set a sleek and modern look. And for those concerned about health, the product details explicitly state it's made without BPA, which is always a plus in cookware. One of the most important aspects of modern cookware is its versatility, and this set doesn't disappoint. It's suitable for use on all stovetops, including induction tops, which is a significant advantage as induction cooking continues to grow in popularity. Furthermore, these pots and pans are oven-safe up to a very respectable 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which translates to 260 degrees Celsius. This means you can seamlessly transition from stovetop searing to oven finishing, ideal for dishes like roasted chicken or baked pasta. A small caveat here, however, is that the glass lids are not oven-safe, so you'll need to remove them before placing the cookware in the oven. A feature that can often be a nuisance is hot handles. This set addresses that with riveted stainless steel handles. The design aims to stay cool to the touch during stovetop preparations, allowing for easier and safer maneuvering of the pots and pans. However, and this is a very important point that Amazon Basics themselves highlight, while the handles are designed to stay cool, they are still made of stainless steel and become hot during extended use or in very high heat situations. So, the advice to always use potholders when handling the product during and after use is crucial. It's a good practice for any cookware, but especially with metal handles, it's always better to be safe. The included transparent tempered glass lids are a practical feature. They allow you to monitor your cooking progress without having to lift the lid, which helps retain heat and moisture. The steam escape holes are a thoughtful detail, preventing excessive steam buildup and potential boilovers, leading to more controlled simmering. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 11-piece count offers a great range of sizes for various cooking tasks. The stainless steel construction with the aluminum core promises good durability and even heating. The induction readiness and oven safety up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit provide excellent versatility. The Stay Cool handle design is a welcome feature, and the included steamer is a nice bonus. The non-toxic aspect and BPA-free construction are also important considerations for health-conscious cooks. Now for some potential downsides. While the handles are designed to stay cool, as mentioned, they can still get hot, requiring the use of potholders. Some users might find the mirror finish prone to showing fingerprints and water spots, requiring frequent polishing to maintain its shine. While the aluminum core helps with even heating, it's not a professional-grade copper core, so extremely discerning chefs might notice a difference in performance compared to much higher-end cookware. Lastly, while durable, stainless steel can sometimes lead to sticking if not used correctly with enough oil or butter, and cleaning can sometimes require a bit more elbow grease than non-stick surfaces. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Cookware 11-piece set is a compelling option for a wide range of home cooks. It strikes a great balance between functionality, versatility, and affordability. Whether you're a beginner looking for a complete starter set or an experienced cook needing to round out their collection, this set offers solid performance and a good range of pieces for everyday cooking needs. The inclusion of induction compatibility and oven safety makes it adaptable to various cooking methods and appliances. Link in the description.